Hey there, we're out at the property of Josh Versus. Actually, the property is not his, but the house is his. And he is taking the chimney out of the middle of the house today. And we are going to show you that process, maybe from just the perspective of how much stuff that a chimney could put down into the basement or whatever when it gets broke up and demolished. So, and then we're going to show you the repair part of the roof, and after that then we'll go over and show you what we did in the new property, which is in Custer, for the footers and stuff of this house. Stay with us.
But I won't hurry, Dad. He's getting started here. Did you not find it?
I got my GoPro and everything, forgot my SD card. I usually wear it on my hat. Is it time lapse? So here I am at Josh Versus house. We're actually just finishing up tearing out his chimney. He has to prepare the house for moving, and he can't just move it from Hill City to Custer. He's got to go all the way around. So, of course, the chimney was right here in the center of the house. So, of course, all of it went to the basement down there. So, yeah, we got it all tore out, and so we have to repair the roof. But yes, we're at the point where the chimney is totally out, and so here is the house that we're actually preparing to move. This is actually a couple that is getting married, and this young man took on this project for his future bride and himself. So he took the challenge on to move this house. So, but if you want to see, I'll go down here in the basement and see our final product of all the chimney and all the stuff that was thrown down to the bottom. And you could watch the time lapse earlier. So yeah, that all used to be the chimney that went all the way through the roof and up on top. So yeah, we're pretty much done. He's cleaning up the bathroom that we had. A lot of dust still in the air, but yeah, just another project that he's glad is over, so he can continue working on getting this prepared to move to Custer. We actually did some concrete work for his footings and stuff earlier, and I'm gonna stop by and show you what we did on them as we get back to town, so stay tuned. So now Josh and Joseph is putting the final touches on the on Josh's house for the shingles that will have to be patched in to the hole where the chimney was, and just getting the best he can with the new felt and shingles, and try to make sure it's not leaking into their bathroom inside the house. So once I get done, I'll show you the finish.
Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That's where the chimney used to be, but it ain't there no more. Looks beautiful. Looks pretty. Nicely done. All right.
Perfectionist it is.
All right, attempt number 2. Now it's good. That looks a lot better. All right, that's where the chimney used to be.
Hey, the screws over here, Josh.
Yeah.
Looks good.
We'll put one more nail in.
By all means, go right ahead. Took a little bit of work, but we got her done. There's the leftovers of the chimney, all the stuff. Yep, we just did patchwork, covered up the hole with a couple of 1-bys, and got some that black paper, tar paper. Got a partial bundle of the shingles that's originally for this roof, and did our cuts and measurements, and voila, there you go. So Josh is putting the last of the nails in, and we're done. Beautiful. Brings a tear to an eye, don't it?
Here comes the roofers himself down.
Well, being that where the power's at, if I did the journal, I would have to cross your hands and others.
No, don't want to do that then. Here's your hammer.